Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about millennials, what they think about God and their existence. So let's discuss this video in detail. But before going to detail, I wanna say you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more latest updates. Thank you. Let's start the video. Almost half of millennials don't know, care or believe that God exists. Survey finds. A new survey has found that 43% of millennials in United States don't know, care or believe that God exists. The American Worldview Inventory (AWVI) is an annual survey that asks US adults over the age of 18 about their religious beliefs and perspectives. This year's survey found that almost half of millennials, people born between 1984 to 2002, don't believe in gods or didn't know and or care if God exists, while in contrast 57% of this age bracket consider themselves as Christians. Leading on from these statistics, it is said that millennials are significantly less likely to embrace key traditional biblical teachings, including the nature of God, original sin, salvation, creation, life after death, human purpose, and biblical morality. In the light of these findings, the AWVI has said that the younger generation's view threaten to reshape the nation's religious parameters beyond recognition. Meanwhile, 70% of Generation X, people born between 1965 and 1983, consider themselves Christians, alongside 79% of baby boomers. The highest percentage of Christians were in builder generation, born between 1927 to 1945, with 80% considering themselves as Christians. Retrospectively, 31%, 28%, and 27% didn't care, know, or believe that God exists. Breitbart reports. The survey also asked people about some of their perspectives on life. For example, it asked the question of whether you should treat others as you want them to treat you. In the instant, 48% of millennials agreed that people should do this, while 53% of Gen Xers and 80% of boomers said that people should do this too. Other perspective, millennials were much more likely to agree with were definitely success in life as happiness, personal freedom or productivity without oppression, considering an abortion performed to reduce personal, economic or emotional discomfort to be morally acceptable, considering premarital sex with someone expected to be their future spouse to be morally acceptable, and deeming reincarnation in real possibility. The most unpopular belief with the millennials was the idea that there is a universal purpose of all people is to know, love and serve God will with all heart, mind, strength and soul, which saw only 19% of this generation agreed. Sociologist George Barna, CRC Director of Research, said of the survey's finding, Gen X and the millennials have solidified dramatic changes in the nation's central belief and lifestyle. The result is a culture in which core instructions, including churches and basic ways of life, are continually being radically redefined. He added he believed this shift began around 60 years ago with progressive changes among boomers, but described millennials as having aggressively cut ties with core biblical views and lifestyle values.